the KC-135 Stratotanker. It is my pleasure to present to you the Air Force's newest airlifter, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 10,000 flying hours in various United States Air Force aircraft. The crew will perform a maximum effort takeoff and climb, demonstrating its ability to operate out of short, austere fields. Will fly low over hostile territory and allows for more suitable operations at airfields near heavily populated cities. Ladies and gentlemen, on a high-speed pass, the C-17 Globemaster III. This reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of the large aircraft like the C-5 Galaxy with the short-field landing potential of the much smaller engines. These are the same engines that power the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. Folks, that's 85 tons. The equivalent of 7 school buses or 1 M1 Abrams tank for an outstanding range of 2,400 nautical miles without even utilizing its air-to-air refueling capability. Without actually landing. Now, we're going to see a landing that is quite unique. The C-17 coming in for their short field landing. They're going to show off this aircraft's unique ability to land on short fields. And then this massive cargo hauler is going to back up under its own power.